This is Dr. Lynn Houston presenting to you the COVID KeyCon Viewer that I've created as a PowerShell script. The problem is that the publicly available data set for COVID-19 research is a collection of raw JSON objects that researchers download in a few different folders. Currently, right now, there are over 40,000 articles included in the collection. While data scientists can wrangle JSONs, other researchers need some way to access and search the data. So my program creates an input folder on the user's desktop called COVID-19 Keyword Search and prompts the user to load the JSON objects he or she downloads from the public data set. I'll show you here in a second that JSON objects are very difficult to read on their own. I'm opening one up. My program allows better access to the material researchers need in order to help try to solve the COVID-19 pandemic solution. So the program creates this new folder for the search results within the keyword search folder. Now the KeyCon Viewer is asking the user to input the search terms. For demonstration purposes, I'm using two terms, mouse and leukemia. Anyone can search text with a Control-F function to find one key term at a time. But what this program does is help researchers see the connections between ideas, the relationships, possibly cause and effect relationships between ideas by searching for articles that contain all of the search terms they've entered. They can enter up to 10 terms. Now what I'm doing is opening up the articles output, which is a compilation of all the articles which have been converted from the JSON into plain text that is easier to read. The other output that this program does is a spreadsheet that catalogs the context of each term the user searched for. You can see, as I'm opening this Excel spreadsheet, the two keywords in this column F, mouse and leukemia. You can also see next to that in column D is the name of the JSON file. Next to that in column C is the actual line of text that the search term appears in, then arranged with the JSON file and its keyword search term. So the spreadsheet will help researchers keep track of where their data comes from. That ends the demo of the COVID-19 KeyCon Viewer, Key Convergence Viewer, that will assist researchers in their fight against the COVID-19 virus, providing them with a tool to search through the public data set.